blonde it, mussed up my hair. What do you think we'll find around today? I hear loud music. Do you hear loud music? I guess you must if I do. What's that? Alright. Oh. Okay. Let's flip the camera around and see what's going on. Oh boy. Junior, do you want to go dancing? You got a stage. Ah, fuck. I just stepped in a big pool or something. We're gonna say it's water, okay? Is this like a wedding? You know, we pick the best days to make video, don't we? Ooh, look at that. Meat on a stick. We have to go get you milk. We should probably do that first. I'll go hit the market. Alright, watch yourself on TV. Watch yourself on TV. Oh! Well, I gotta get some milk. Do you think they have flour? Well, you can't get down. Junior, you're being a turd.
15 minutes later.
Back inside. What the hell's going on over there? You want some chicken? Or some fire chicken? You want to go run the market? What do you want to do, Squeakums? I think you should run the market, brother. Okay. Oh. Okay, watch your head. You want to walk? Hey? All right. You normally walk. You're so good. Now look at the sun. Watch your head. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. You hit your head. Maybe we'll just avoid the umbrellas. Hmm? we can walk around to the other side. We just gotta go up an extra street. Walking around in big circles. We should have gone the other way. Well, I wonder if we can cut up there. I wonder. Okay, but if you keep playing around, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Junior's gonna fall.